Nonsense Live.
Tech genius and excellent experiments.
Magic and mayhem.
Facts and fun.
And today, check out how to do this. Wow!
Wow!
Over to Stycie and Seth. Hello guys, this is Stycie Seth.
And this is Reindeer Stycie.
And this is Sema's Lab. Today we have a Christmas special for you. Today we're going to be making a snow globe, and these are the things we need.
Water,
Mason jar,
glycerin,
super glue,
and glitter.
Let's get started.
So first you're gonna take the lid off the mason jar. Then we're gonna, if you could hold this for me. Then we're gonna put super glue around the edges. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna stick it to the lid, the inside of the lid, and hold it there for a few minutes to dry.
And then I'm going to take this little Santa over here and glue his legs. Put some glue here. And then we're going to put it on the lid.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna take the water and pour it till about there. Then we're gonna add the glycerin.
Yes. So now I'm going to put some glitter, and I'm going to put a little bit of each.
Okay.
And now we're going to stir, I think.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay. Then
We're gonna screw the top back on.
with the Santa.
Hopefully we glued it.
Well, it doesn't get off. But this is super glue, so. Oh, the Santa has glitter. Oh, that's so cute. Wow. And then I think we're gonna shake it up.
Oh my gosh. It's a
Look at that. The
Wow.
Santa is upside down. Gonna put it upside down.
And shake it.
Shake it. There
Whoa.
we go. Look at that. I wish I was the one inside.
This is really good for decoration. You can put it in your room for like your Christmas theme. And
Yeah.
it looks really nice.
Should be very careful with super glue.
Yeah.
It's very sticky. We also made this snow globe. It's so beautiful. It has red glitter inside. And it has a star and some snow flakes. And as I told you, you can use any decoration you want.
We really, really, really loved doing this experiment.
I hope you try this at home because it's a really cool Christmas decoration. And make sure to tag us, #Sema's Lab. This is Stycie Seth.
And this is Reindeer Stycie.
And this was
Sema's Lab.
Happy Christmas! Stay connected with me on the Super Sema YouTube channel. Just click subscribe.